Amla, otherwise known as Indian gooseberry, myrobalan, or emblic, is a tree native to India and Southeast Asian regions that produces these fruits that are incredibly rich in bioactive compounds. These compounds are especially favored in the research involving hair growth and many other conditions too. In fact, Amla has an important role in the traditional medicine of India to reduce anxiety and burning sensation in skin and eyes, improve anemic conditions, and favor male reproductive health. In this video though, I'll focus on its use case for hair and share with you 3 reasons why you may want to try it on your hair today. Also guys, give the video a like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on future videos. I talk extensively about evidence-based ways to improve your hair, skin, and health, so if that's something you're into, definitely consider subscribing. I'm going to be basing my video on scientific evidence from what the medical literature has provided us, which I'm really excited to be sharing with you guys. So to start, Amla is actually edible. It's often described as sour, strong, and bitter. In India, it is often eaten with salt and red chili powder to help with the taste. And according to Indian mythology, this is the first tree to be produced in the universe, which I thought was interesting. The reason why this plant makes it to the channel, and I want to discuss it as a potential solution for hair growth, is because of its rich phytonutrients. Because it's so rich in gallic acid, ascorbic acid, and phenolic compounds, take a look here. This is what you consider rich phytochemistry. You got ellagic acid like in pomegranates, chlorogenic acid like in coffee, quercetin like in onions, ascorbic acid like in kiwis, and so much more. So technically, it's fully loaded with phytonutrients, which I'm happy to see. But let's start with one of the most sought after benefits, strengthening your hair and reducing hair fall. Amla is rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in collagen production, as you know. Now, collagen is a protein that helps maintain the strength and structure of your hair strands. So when your hair is strong from the roots, it's less likely to fall out. And that's the idea. And regular application of Amla, whether in the form of oil, powder, or a hair mask, can nourish your scalp and hair follicles, preventing breakage and shedding. I left an organic Amla powder in the description for you as my affiliate, should you wish to try it out yourself. Also, the antioxidants in Amla protect your hair from damage caused by free radicals, which also help with hair fall. So if you're dealing with thinning hair or excessive shedding, you could try incorporating Amla into your hair care routine and let me know how it works at the 1-month mark. I'm curious to see your results. Now, a lot of the cases of Amla for hair growth have been anecdotal, meaning that there is not enough research that can back it up. But what I was able to find is a triple-blind randomized controlled clinical trial that included 60 women with female androgenetic alopecia, and it showed that an Amla syrup could help treat androgenetic hair loss in women and increase the anagen phase. Now, why is increasing the anagen phase so important? Well, the anagen phase determines how long a hair strand can grow before it falls out. And typically this phase can last anywhere from 2 to 7 years, depending on genetics, health, and other factors like vitamin and mineral deficiencies, which we discuss in this video right here. So by extending the anagen phase, hair can grow longer and stronger before transitioning to the next phase, leading to healthier hair overall. Secondly, Amla may add volume to the hair by improving blood circulation. Amla stimulates the scalp, improving blood circulation, which in turn encourages hair growth. The phytonutrients, vitamins, and minerals in Amla can assist in strengthening the hair follicles and providing essential nutrients needed for hair growth. Amla also contains essential fatty acids that penetrate the scalp and make hair softer, shinier, and voluminous. So if you're looking to grow your hair out or simply want it to look fuller and more vibrant, this can be another reason to try Amla. But in addition to this, you also want to have a diet rich in vitamins and minerals too, particularly these known for improving circulation like your vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and iron. These can also enhance blood flow to the scalp. So foods such as nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and fatty fish are excellent choices for this. I also talk about low-level light therapy too, which you can add in as well to boost scalp circulation even more. And finally guys, let's talk about how Amla can help prevent premature graying of your hair. One of the key causes of premature graying is the loss of melanin in the hair follicles. Amla, with its high antioxidant content and rich source of vitamin C, helps preserve the natural color of your hair. And Amla not only prevents premature graying, but can also help darken the existing gray hairs too. So whether you're dealing with early grays or want to maintain your natural hair color longer, Amla can be a potential solution for this as well. But now let's talk about 3 ways you can start using Amla powder. The first is an Amla oil. You can either purchase ready-made Amla oil, which I've linked down below for you as well, or make your own by heating Amla powder in coconut oil or sesame oil until the oil turns a light brown color. Then you just allow the oil to cool and then strain out the solids. And to apply, you want to massage the Amla oil into your scalp using gentle circular motions and leave it on for at least an hour or overnight for deeper penetration before washing it out with the mildest shampoo, of course. The second thing you could do, you can make an Amla hair mask. Mix the Amla powder with water, yogurt, or aloe vera gel to form a smooth paste. You could also add other ingredients like honey or eggs too if you like. And to apply, put it on evenly onto your scalp, focusing on the roots, and keep it there for about 45 minutes and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and then shampoo afterwards. And thirdly, mix in your Amla powder with your collagen drink. If you don't know which collagen to go with, the Thorne Collagen Plus promotes glowing skin, healthy hair, and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Not to forget to mention Thorne's commitment to state-of-the-art supplements and quality. For this, you want to mix 1 teaspoon of Amla powder with 1 scoop of Thorne's collagen and 8 to 12 ounces of water. You can find the Collagen Plus in the description box down below as my affiliate should you wish to combine it with collagen. But there you go, guys. These are the 3 major use cases for Amla when it comes to hair. It strengthens and reduces hair fall, promotes growth and volume, and prevents premature graying. Whether you choose to use it in oil, powder, or juice form, Amla is pretty versatile and can potentially transform your hair care routine. But I'm more curious to hear from you guys though. What are your thoughts on Amla powder for hair? Have you used it in the past? Curious to hear from you guys. In the meantime, watch this video on argan oil for hair growth. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys on the next one.